Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create stickers in Canva. Let's get started. First, sign up or log in to your Canva account if you already have one. Then just click on Create a Design right here and click Custom Size down here. Let's change the units to inches and let's put in 8.5 in width and 11 in height. Then just click on Create New Design next to it. You can customize the size of your paper however you want. The size we inputted is just standard for sticker paper. Next, on the left panel here, just click on Uploads if you have pictures in your PC or laptop that you want to use in making stickers. And if none, you can click on Elements up here and search the elements you want. Like for example, I'm going to type in cat. And we do have a lot of cat elements here, so I'm just going to choose a random one like this one. And then it will be automatically added to your page. You can resize the element however you like. You can also add more elements if you want. Just make sure to maximize the space you have with your sticker paper. You can also add text if you want. You can also draw on it if you want. And then once you're done, just click on Share here in the top right corner, then click Download and make sure that you are using the PNG format. Then click Download again, and after downloading, you will now have a printable sticker file that you can now print onto a sticker paper. And that is how you can create stickers in Canva. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.